Let's be real. It's not that you're lazy. It's not even that you're unmotivated. The truth is, you've never learned how to be disciplined. And until you fix that, success will always feel just out of reach. The myth of motivation. Motivation is temporary. It's an emotional spark, not a system. You feel inspired for a moment, but without structure, it fades. The disciplined person doesn't wait to feel good. They show up even when it sucks. Your brain is wired for comfort. Your brain loves patterns and comfort. It's designed to save energy, not chase greatness. Every time you hit snooze, binge, delay, you're following your default setting. Survival, not success. Discipline rewires your defaults. Your environment is your enemy. Look around. Your environment either supports your goals or sabotages them. If your phone is filled with distractions, your fridge is filled with junk, and your friends are filled with excuses, you're fighting an uphill battle. Discipline starts small. You think discipline means 5 a.m. workouts and military precision. It doesn't. It starts with tiny promises. Wake up when you say you will. Stick to one habit. Let consistency shape your confidence. You don't have a system. You rely on willpower. That's like charging your phone once a week and expecting it to last. You need a system. One that makes decisions in advance. One that turns habits into automation. You don't respect yourself. Yet every time you say you'll do something and don't, your brain records that. Over time, you start believing you can't trust yourself. Discipline is self-respect. It's proving to your brain, I keep my word. Discipline isn't rigid. It's freedom. You think discipline is restrictive. It's the opposite. Indiscipline leads to chaos. Discipline creates freedom. The freedom to wake up calm, work with purpose, sleep without regret. 5 things to start today. Wake up at the same time every day. Use a digital or physical habit tracker. Eliminate one distraction from your space. Set a 20-minute non-negotiable task each day. End your day with reflection, not guilt. Choose discipline. Today, you don't need to wait for rock bottom. You don't need another motivational speech. Start small, build slowly, and in a year, you won't recognize the version of you who couldn't stay disciplined. If this helped you shift your mindset, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.